Welcome to this two-part series covering the key features of CorvirtusHire. CorvirtusHire is a fully functional, user-friendly applicant tracking system providing the latest advancements and features in recruitment technology, including more than 30 integrations with a variety of payroll and background check providers, and a full integration with Corvirtus pre-employment assessments. In addition to recruitment and screening, an onboarding portal is available with e-signature and custom forms and documents, allowing you to customize and streamline your onboarding process and speed up time to hire. We understand that not all recruitment workflows are the same. With our features and functions, you can customize everything from your careers page, internal recruit flow, screening tools, and onboarding documentation, ensuring that you have a platform suitable to your needs. The home dashboard is the first thing you will see when you log into CorvirtusHire, and it provides a high-level overview of all activity within the system. One thing to note is that while the dashboard will look the same for every user in terms of aesthetics, the data presented may vary depending on who is logged in. For instance, if a restaurant with 2 locations was using CorvirtusHire and had 1 user for each location, the user with access to location 1 would only see data and information relevant to that location, and then the same would go for the user at location 2. From this home dashboard, you can view your current job openings under My Jobs, candidates who have applied to those jobs under My Candidates, quickly see where your candidates are being sourced from live as it happens, as well as data on candidate volume and number of hires on a month-by-month basis. The snapshot up here in the top left corner updates every 24 hours on current jobs and candidates that you have access to and oversee as a user. This snapshot will follow you throughout the system regardless of which tab you're on, and provides quick access to view and edit jobs as well as interact with candidates. Lastly, the advanced search feature uses the entire applicant tracking system as a database to find candidates with ease. For instance, you could run a search based off of keywords in a resume and then pull a list of candidates matching that criteria to find candidates that meet your needs for the position in question that you're looking to hire for. One of the most useful features in CorvirtusHire is the My Calendar and My Schedule features within the Calendar View function. From here, you can sync up the calendar in the ATS to your Outlook or to your Gmail calendar, and then send candidates your availability for phone screens, in-person interviews, or any additional steps unique to your hiring process. All you have to do is select My Schedule, indicate the times you are available, and then your availability can be sent to candidates via text message, email, or both. So I'm going to show you what this looks like really quickly. What we would do is we would first go to My Schedule. We would select the times for the week that we are available. So I'm just going to select a few random times here throughout the week that I would be available to do a phone screen or an in-person interview. Once I've selected those times, I will update my schedule. Next, I'm going to jump over to the Candidates tab. And let's say we're interested in doing a phone screen with this candidate right here. I would click into the candidate's profile. I would click the Schedule button, and then I would schedule an invite. And what you'll see is that all of those times that I had indicated that I was available just a second ago, I can select all of those here, or just a few, whichever you prefer. And then I can send my schedule and my availability to this candidate via email, text message, or both. So this is just a really useful feature within the system to be able to reach out to candidates very easily and get those phone screens and in-person interviews scheduled really quickly. The next thing I want to show you is what we call social posting. So for those of you who utilize social media in your recruitment efforts, social posting is a really cool feature that allows you to post job links from CorvirtusHire directly to your company or location-specific social media accounts. You can create custom buzzwords such as these, like "come join our team" or "best place to work," as well as hashtags that resonate with your culture, providing candidates with a glimpse into what your organization stands for, its values, and what it promises to its employees. And then you can select the job you would like to post. From there, it's as easy as posting it to Facebook, Twitter, or LinkedIn. So I could select a couple random buzzwords here. I can even type out my own message, so something like come join our team. Anything like that. You can also create buzzwords and hashtags here that aren't already included within the system. And then you can indicate what job you're looking for people to apply for. So you can select very specific jobs, or you can actually direct candidates to your careers page as well. And then once you have everything in the text box set up that you would like, you can post it directly to any of these accounts. So what we've covered so far is just a high-level overview of CorvirtusHire, as well as interview scheduling and social media posting. In the next video, we'll cover the jobs, candidates, and onboarding tabs, which is where you'll spend the majority of your time in the platform. Thanks for watching, and we will see you over in part 2.